Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to manage who can discover your LinkedIn profile using your phone number. This is a helpful feature if you want to control your visibility and ensure that only the right people can find you. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the Me icon. This will take you to your profile menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Within this section, locate and tap on Visibility. This is where you can manage how others see your profile and interact with it. Now, look for the option labeled Profile Discovery using phone number and tap on it. Here, LinkedIn gives you control over who can find your profile based on your phone number. You'll see several options: everyone, second-degree connections, or nobody. To strike a balance between privacy and networking opportunities, select second-degree connections. This ensures that only people within your extended professional network can discover your profile using your phone number. And that's it. You've successfully customized this setting to better suit your privacy preferences while maintaining valuable connections. Taking control of these settings is a great way to tailor your LinkedIn experience. If this video was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.